Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about the art of curve fitting and the square method. In this presentation, we will explore the fascinating world of curve fitting and understand how it plays a significant role in various industries. And I firstly introduce myself Rajshekhar. I am from Department of CSC Cyber Security. From the third sem subject is the mathematics for CSC stream, and the topic is curve fitting by the method of least squares. Introduction to curve fitting by the method of least squares. The method of least squares is used to find the best fitting curve or line of best fitting for a set of data points by reducing the sum of the squares of the offsets residual part of the points from the curve. During the process of finding the relation between two variables, the trend of outcomes are estimated quantitatively. The least square method can be used both for linear and nonlinear relationships. When going to the next slide, the concepts of curve fitting. In the curve fitting, we'll ask what is curve fitting? It's the process of construction a curve that comes closest to the available data points. And the why is it important? Curve fitting helps in understanding the underlying relationships in the data and making predictions based on the curve. Where is it used? It is used to study weather patterns, economic trends, and even in predicting traffic density. The method of least squares. The principles are: the method of least squares minimizes the sum of the differences between actual and predicted data points. How it works? It involves finding the line of best fit that minimizes the sum of the squares of the distances between the line and the data points. The advantages of the least squares are: the method is simple to use, easy to compute, and provides accurate results for a wide range of scenarios. Limitations of least squares: it may not be applicable in cases where the data does not follow a linear relationship or when working with complex systems. Real world application. The examples of square fitting. The curve fitting is used in the predicting the price of stocks, finding optimal production levels in manufacturing, and designing experiments in science and engineering. Challenging faced between the real world application, the quality of data, choice of mathematical model, and the computation required increase the complexity and scale of the problem. Gaining insights. The curve fitting helps us understand the underlying patterns and trends in the data and gives us insights into the factors that drive the observed phenomenon. The alternative methods. The nonlinear regression. It models the relationship between independent and dependent variables by means a curve or higher order equation. Exponential smoothing. It assigns potentially decreasing weights to past the observations and averages them for predicting future trends. Fourier analysis. It studies the sine and cosine waves that make up complex periodic functions to identifying the underlying trends in the data analysis. When to use which method? In linear regression, use it when the data points can be adequately modeled by a straight line. Nonlinear regression, use it for more complex patterns such as curves and parabolas. Exponential smoothing, use it when the data points exhibit a trend and seasonal variations with an emphasis on recent data. Fourier analysis, use it when the data points are periodic and exhibit cyclic patterns. These are the four types. The future of curve fitting, the advanced learning techniques are with the increasing amounts of data and computing power, curve fitting techniques can now utilize complex machine learning algorithms to produce more accurate predictions. Continual improvement as the world changes, curve fitting techniques will continue to evolve and adapt to keep pace with the new challenges and opportunities. Interdisciplinary applications as more fields embrace data-driven decision-making, curve-fitting techniques will find never and unconventional conventional use cases in the future. The bottom line essential skill set is the curve fitting is a critical skill set for transforming data into useful insights that impact business decisions, scientific discoveries, and social progresses. Continuous learning as an ever-evolving fields curve fitting and fitting requires continual learning and staying up to date with the latest tools and techniques. Get started. Curve fitting has never been more accessible with a computer knowledge of programming and an aptitude for problem solving. One can explore the vast and opportunities this field presents. And the conclusion is the least square method states that the curve that best fits a given set of observations is said to be curve having a minimum sum of the squared residuals or deviations or errors from the given data points. And thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.